Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. In today's video, we will discuss about qualities or attributes of a good product owner in Agile Scrum process. We will understand it through combination of 5 C's, 5 key attributes that we can define for a product owner role. So let us begin. So before we start discussing on the product owner key characteristics or key attributes or key qualities, let us understand the product owner role in Agile Scrum process. So product owner is someone who is accountable for creating and maintaining the product backlog. That's one of the key responsibility, defining the product goal and its vision, writing clear user stories, depicting the user stories in a defined format as per the Scrum process, breaking the large user story into a smaller one, ensuring that the user story has invest property, they are small enough, they are valuable, and working in close collaboration with the development team, when we are writing the user stories. Fourth point is explaining the user stories to development team effectively. That's we have already covered. That's one of the key thing that whatever user stories product owner and his team they are capturing, that needs to be understood well by development team. And for that to happen, product owner has to work in close collaboration with the development team. Last one is collaborating with all concerned for maximizing the value of the product. So product owner has to ensure that he is able to generate value for the product. He has a clarity on what exactly we are building, what is the goal that we are trying to achieve, what is the vision that we have for the product. Now, these are the 5 C's or 5 key attributes of a good product owner. I mean, someone who is playing the role of a product owner for the very first time. I mean, these are the skills that he has to keep in mind to develop. The first one is a good product owner must be collaborative. He must be communicative. He must be capable, has expertise on the product, and he must have clarity around the concept, that means the vision, and he must understand how to manage the customer expectations pretty well. So these are the 5 C's of a good product owner, 5 key attributes, and we will understand it in the next one about each one of these in detail. So these are the attributes which are explained when we say that the product owner must be capable. That simply means he has expertise, he has experience on building a product, he has expert knowledge on the product that we are trying to build, and that differ from domain to domain. I mean, some of the product owners, they might be, they might have expert knowledge on the banking product. Some of the product owner, they might have expert knowledge on the insurance product. So when we are saying the capabilities or the expertise, that means they have clarity on the domain that we are trying to build the product on, right? uh, Second attribute is he is a good communicator. He is communicative, and the communication is not just with the internal stakeholders or to the management, but also to the external people, to the market guys who are responding on the feedback, who are telling them, okay, these are the features that we want in the product, and also to the development team who is developing the product. So product owner has to be very good in communication, has to ensure that he is communicating with all the concerned in an effective manner. Concept. So the third attribute is the product owner has to have a clarity on the product vision. That means he needs to understand what are the objectives or the goals that we are trying to achieve, what is the vision that we want to carry on for the product, and that vision and the goal has been made clear to all the concerned, whether internal stakeholder, whether external stakeholder, whoever is investing on the product, whoever is trying to build the product around. So that needs to be clearly communicated. Customer expectation. So product owner has to manage the customer expectation. That means the internal stakeholders, external stakeholders. Let's say the first release of the product has already happened. Now what is the feedback of the customers, how the development team is responding in building the product. So I mean, he has to manage the expectations of the customer pretty well through the product vision and its features that we have developed so far. Last one is product owner is someone who has to work in close collaboration with all. So that we have already covered that it's not just about the collaborating with the development team who is building the product, but also with the different stakeholders who are expecting, okay, these will be the features in the product, like how we can ensure, how we can effectively build those features around so that everyone has their requirements fulfilled, their vision fulfilled through the launch of the product. So these are the 5 key attributes or 5 C's which are pretty important for a good product owner role. So thank you Thanks everyone for watching this brief video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.